Okay, so now that we have checked the reception, we know the SIM card is active, it's responding to messages, it's fully live, and we're good to begin programming. So for single button intercom, obviously there's a single home icon at the bottom here. I'm going to press that, and it asks you to simply enter in the phone numbers you want the intercom to dial. So again, if you're using this outside of the UK, you put in, if these are, regardless if these are cell phones or landlines, you put in the country area code. So normally it's at 00, whatever country you're in, and then your phone number. So for UK here it would be 44, and then a mobile number. And you can go ahead and enter in whatever numbers you need for the various people on the dialing list. So this particular intercom will dial the first phone number. If there's no answer on the first number, it will stop calling it and dial the second number and the third, and so on. When you hit save, that will save those numbers into the intercom, and then we can go ahead and check and see if that works. So now you can see we got a reply to say okay, that those numbers are stored.